And so I set the chipper right about there. This was total lumber. This is the stuff we can't chip in it because it's too big, but that's firewood now. And this is the estate I've been making for my fiance's family. So these are all the chips from yesterday. And we got right about to the end when the chipper went completely off balance. So we had to stop, and it started shredding instead of chipping. And I'll show you what happened. And we're going to take it back. We haven't had it a year, and hopefully they make do with the return policy. So nice, you can walk all the way around.